What's up everybody, it's Hendrik here and I am in Sipoonkorpi National Park, an hour outside of Helsinki, and it's a gorgeous spring day. The flowers are blossoming, the trees are getting green and the birds are chirping and singing, and it is absolutely stunning. And there's almost nobody here, so I'm really looking forward to exploring this new national park. It's just a couple of years old and see what it has to offer. Let's go! So I'm hiking on the nature path, and it weaves in and out of the forest and also shares sections with this forest road. And there's like fields and farms and little summer houses over here, and it's super pretty. It's very nice, especially now with this kind of weather. So looking forward to come to the mountains and enjoy the view soon. So now I'm here in a beautiful forest, super smooth and white paths, oh, great for hiking. And yeah, it's beautiful, like with all those shadows that come through, and yeah, the sunshine and the birds. Very good. Remember how I earlier said that there weren't a lot of people? Well, this place over here, this Lavu lean-to shelter behind me, it's the complete opposite. It's super popular. There's a lot of families and people over here, but it's really nice to see that the parents take their kids out for a day of hiking and sausages outside. Lots of people. summit of the Högberget here in Sipoonkorpi National Park. The view is pretty cool. It's a bit hazy, so I don't think you can really make out the ocean. But yeah, I will try and see if I can see it. So yeah, let's go explore. Woo! That's it. 7.5 kilometers. That was the nature path in the Sipoonkorpi National Park. So that's where you go back to the bus, but I now go and search for a place where I'm gonna roll out my mat and put up my tarp and gonna have something to eat. No idea yet where that's going to be, but I think I will need to climb back all of these mountains over there and see if I find some nice place, preferably with water close by. Whoa, that wasn't so bad. 20 minutes from the start of the trail till here again, till the highest point. But sun goes down in 3 hours and there's no water here. At least no water I would consider like using. So I gotta go a bit further and find a place where I can find water. Finally, that food bag is getting a little bit lighter. It's gonna be some wilderness stew with rice tonight. Not really in the wilderness over here. I can see Vanta. It's like a stone throw away, pretty much. Like, yeah, okay, maybe not a stone throw, but super close. Yeah, but first time I'm eating blåband, so kind of looking forward to that. How that's going to taste. Also, in case you're wondering, that's a spit stove, so a solid fuel stove. It's my most compact and light stove. Yeah, it's really just what I needed for this trip. And yeah, it works with these solid fuel tablets and it's working really well. Like, boils my water, 2 of those little pots, 1 for the food, 1 for a hot chocolate, and then I'm good to go. And yeah, nice and light. Ooh, that wilderness stew. Ooh, it's looking interesting. Let's hope it's good. Gonna fill it till line number G. Can you see the G in there? G for, what's that? Good. I also brought myself a nice fancy craft beer from Finland because I thought I'm probably gonna deserve that. Well, my water is ready. Line G. I think I'm not gonna put more in there. I'll wait and see how this turns out with a little bit less water. 10 minutes. Good night. So at home it's really not a problem for me to get out of bed. It's pretty easy, but if I'm out backpacking I really find it terribly hard to get out of the cozy warm quilt. But yeah, gotta go hiking today too, and that the sun is shining helps with getting up. Also, when you're backpacking, always brush your teeth. So breakfast this morning is going to be a Cliff Bar and a double coffee. Whoa. Alright, made it in time to the bus stop. That was pretty much 24 hours in Sipoonkorpi National Park. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because there's more outdoor hiking gear videos coming. So, see you the next time.